Today is the day.
We don't know yet.
We don't know yet. Well, I mean, it could be. It could be tonight, or it could be tomorrow morning, or the other day. But May is currently going to the birthing clinic.
Birthing clinic.
To birth.
Wow.
How else do I put that? Also, vlogging on an iPhone, this seems kind of cool. I wonder what the quality is going to be like. Probably garbage audio-wise. But today is the day that May goes to the birthing clinic to essentially get the baby out. Because if it gets any bigger in there, then she's going to need a C-section. Broad shoulders apparently are a bit of an issue. Someone her size and, well, look at me. So that's pretty much the gist of it. Baby can't get any bigger because if it gets any bigger, it won't come out the normal way. So that's what's happening. I don't know if this is going to end up on SAMMIT Raw or not, or what's going to happen, but today's the day. I'm excited, I'm nervous, and I still doesn't feel real. I'm sure it's about to feel real in the next few clips on this video, but I wanted to document this regardless. You excited?
I'm just excited to feel a bit more comfortable.
Oh, to not have a human being in there? Look at this thing, guys. It's big. It's real big. Look at it from there. He's gonna be out clutch kicking in no time. So it is now the next day, and I am in the hospital with May. She's doing really well. This morning her water broke. Contractions every few minutes right now, so little one should be out in a bit. It's kind of crazy. I'm just pretty much set up over here with my laptop, and anything that she needs or wants, I'm just sorting her out, being the
Is this
support.
thing only in Japan?
This? I don't think so. Hang on.
It's like a pet bottle drinking thing where you can like, even if it's.
I was gonna say your game. That's how she drinks her fluids. She's drinking supply, which is like a vitamin water drink. It's good.
Sorry, it does say Kirin, but it says gamer subs on here.
Yes, 100% gamer subs. You doing all right? You feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You excited?
Yeah, I want to feel human again.
Oh, yeah. She was telling me before how hospitals, they should all have the oil drain thing that we use when cars are on lifts for childbirthing.
To drain the pee.
You can't even make this up.
Good.
Oh my god. I mean, sure. I'm sure they have something like that. I think it's just called like a dish they put under you. But okay. It's gonna be fun. I'm a dad, guys. This feels so crazy. May's doing amazing. She's just recovering. Everything went super smooth. Seriously, couldn't have gone any better. Look at this guy. Quick question. Skyline's or Sylvia's? He's not ready to make that decision yet. Do you think he's going to be a JZ or an RB guy? Or an LS?
LS.
LS? V8? I can't get over the food that they're giving May. It's like insanely good.
It's like a French cuisine.
Yeah, it's actually amazing. Pumpkin soup, tea, oranges, some like steamed fish in some kind of soup and stuff. Little gratin, rice, epic salad. She's already chowing down. I can't believe how quickly she's bounced back after all of that. It's wild. Our baby's been taken away and he's being looked after for the rest of tonight. May gets time to
Just sleep.
Sleep, relax, come back, bounce back. And yeah. Tomorrow morning I will be back as well. I am heading home. I think I forgot to mention in this video, but his name's Hugo. And I think it's going to be really cool because if he does do any kind of competitive stuff, it's a pretty good chant. Hugo Lucas, you know. Anyways, getting ahead of myself. But there's some really cool meanings with the kanji that we picked and stuff. We'll go into detail later about that at some point, but yeah.
It's not named after the car.
No, not after the car, because that was a terrible car. Yeah, that is kind of funny though. It is now the next day again. And Hugo is pretty much the chillest baby I think I've ever seen. But he is a newborn, so it's kind of expected. He's got some killer hair. He's obviously got my hairline, so I feel a little bad for him, but he'll do good. He's got the biggest little hands. He's gonna be a big dude. So wild. I tried asking him before which engines he liked, and when I said LS, he yawned. So I think he's more into turbo cars, guys.
You happy?
I'm very happy. Hugo's got a tight grip. He's already grabbing under my thumb. Shifting.
Sequential.
Oh, guys. For everyone who's a dad out there, I'm sure you know exactly the feelings I'm experiencing right now. But for anyone that's not a dad, I hope you get to experience this one day. I really do. He's getting his first feed from dad.
I love how when I put this in frame.
Oh, the promo. Hey, buddy. Kind of feel bad. He's got my hairline.
Yeah, I know. He's got the...
Oh, dude, he's got the widow's peak. It's all good. All Lucas guys got it. I think even my sister has it.
He's even got the swirl here too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The Naruto? Dude, he's hungry right now. Going to town on the milk. May's doing really well as well. She's bounced back pretty quickly, actually. Yesterday, she bounced back like an hour and a half after birth, and she was on point, so...
It's the food.
It's the food. Yeah, the food is pretty amazing. Anyways, we're just kind of vibing out, but this one's probably going to be a short video, but we wanted to share this special moment with you guys because everything about this channel has been a journey, and this is obviously a new part of that. And it's exciting. Don't know if he's going to be a drifter yet. There's a good chance he might be, but
I'm not crying.
we'll see. Yeah, I don't think he's going to be against it, but we'll see. If he wants to be a doctor or whatever he wants to do, like, it's up to him. But for now, I'm going to call him a little drifter. Anyways,
come
guys.
out sideways.
He did, he was, it was looking like he wanted to come out already. So, like, he was trying to come out sideways, and then he, in the last moment, rotated the correct way. So that was good. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're both obviously very excited and super happy. And I hope you guys are too. Smash the like button, write a comment, subscribe. Expect to see you go soon. Oh, time to go.